Okay, so here's a quick trick you can use to test to make sure your remote control is working fine. All you need to do is pop your mobile phone into camera mode, move your remote control in front of the camera lens and push a button. If the remote control is working fine, you should be able to see the infrared lights working and flashing on the remote control. If there are no lights flashing on the remote control, you probably need a new remote control. But you can only use this trick on a mobile phone, purely because the infrared signal is not visible to the eye unless you use a mobile phone. Take care.